Hi everyone, it's Crafty Mom with 3 sets of twins. I hope you're going to enjoy our channel today, and if you would subscribe, that would be wonderful, and hit the like button and the notification bell, and always remember to be kind to each other, and have a great day. Hi everyone, I hope you're having a great day. This is Crafty Mom with 3 sets of twins. I'm doing some Christmas DIYs. I actually lost the video on this, or I forgot to show you, but all I did was spray paint one of the dollar boards from Dollar Tree that was just an unfinished piece of wood. And I'm taking one of their ornaments, which is the Believe one, and I'm going to use my glue gun to attach it. So I used the spray paint from Walmart called Poppy, which I love that red. It's called Poppy, and it's just such a fun red. And so I'm just using ornaments from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to glue them to this board. So all of these are ornaments from the Dollar Tree. Quick, easy, simple. It's perfect. And there it is. Probably took me 5 minutes, excluding the paint job, of course, because when I spray paint, I usually let it sit overnight. But it just took me probably less than 5 minutes to glue these little decorations on. DIY number 2 is another one that I spray painted. As you can see, I spray painted my garage, and I put it in a box because it's freezing cold. And I'm using again the Poppy, and I'm just spray paint. I will spray paint everything red that I'm going to spray paint at one time. I have this cute little red truck. I love the way this turned out. I have the glitter sheet from Dollar Tree. It already has adhesive on it, so I'm just pulling the stickers off the back. Every now and then I might add a little bit of glue just so it doesn't come off down the road sometime. But the glue is pretty sticky. And I'm just cutting strips, and I'm going to bling out this cute little red truck. Got the cute little Christmas trees from Dollar Tree that I'm going to put in front of the truck, because it's a truck that has Christmas trees in it. And it's going to a Christmas tree farm. And then I have the little stickers from Dollar Tree, and I've got a little yellow star that I'm going to put over the star. How cute is this? This is really cute, guys. You can get your kids out there and have some fun with this. I love the way it turned out. Look how cute it is. I also put a little Christmas tree on the door. Those came from Hobby Lobby in their little mini Christmas tree section. They have like 12 to a page, sometimes 6 to a page. Next, DIY number 3 is a snowflake from Dollar Tree. I painted it white, spray painted it, and now I'm going to glitter it with some glitter that I got from Walmart. I'm using Mod Podge, and I'm just going to try to put it all over there. all over their snowflake, and then I'm just going to sprinkle all this beautiful blue glitter. Look how pretty that is. Reminds me of a top I have. I have a really pretty blue glitter top. And then, you know, those little, I guess they're like, you get 3 of these signs in a package at Dollar Tree. I went ahead and spray painted this black. I think it was peace, joy, and hope, maybe. But look how pretty that is. Now you could put this in a wreath. You could put it on your door. You could put it at the top of your Christmas tree. I'm still going to add it to a wreath, but I have to find the wreath that I was thinking about. It's in the garage, but I couldn't find it. So right now, it's just sitting in one of my cute little Christmas setups. All right, DIY number 4. I am going to glue some ribbon to one of the little wire wreath forms from Dollar Tree. I'm just adding glue, and I'm going to tightly pull it all the way around this wreath. It's going to take a little bit longer than most of my DIYs, but usually I only have a few minutes to do these at a time. So I wasn't sure what to do with this wreath form, and then I thought, how pretty would it be to make like a wreath out of it with some pretty Dollar Tree ribbon. I think the only thing I don't like about this setup, it seems like it blurs a little bit. I'm gonna have to ask my sons about that, why it blurs some of the things that I do. Look how pretty this is turning out. I got this ribbon from Hobby Lobby. I think it's gorgeous. It's really a pretty Christmas ribbon. And it's got the same colors as the ribbon from Dollar Tree. So it's the red and green for Christmas. Christmas time in the city. So I'm just making a bow. I just loop it back and forth, guys. I'm not a bow maker. I just take some ribbon, wrap it around about 3 or 4 times, put like a tie in the middle. You can use like whatever you have around. Sometimes I use the bread ties that come in the bags, and I just tie it real tight, and then I just fluff it out. And then I got this cute little ornaments from Dollar Tree. It's a little Christmas tree and the red checkered, and the little shoe, which is also in the red checkered. All right, I got these beads this summer from Dollar Tree. I don't know if you guys got lucky enough to get any. They had a ton of them. I knew I was going to be saving them for Christmas and Valentine things, maybe even Easter if I still have some left. But remember, they came in the squares, and you got that little strip for $1, which wasn't a bad deal. I also have the little garland that they have in different colors. They have it in red and green. They have it in red, or like a burgundy. And this is the green and white. And this is going to be my tag on the back to actually like hold it to, like if you want to hang it on something. So I just cut off a little piece. I'm gluing a lot of glue on it so it'll stay. Takes a while for the glue to dry. And there it is. I think it turned out really pretty. Look at it. It's great on the door. I have this in my living room. How pretty is this? I think I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Like I said, these are pretty easy to do. Just need a glue gun and get some products from Dollar Tree. The next one, DIY number 5, is another wreath have this burlap ribbon that I got from Hobby Lobby. Of course, half price. I think I bought it this summer. I don't know, I might have bought it this winter, this fall. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to wrap it around. This is a bigger wire form. This is the bigger one, so I'm going to wrap this all around. Also, every now and then I add a little bit of glue just so it won't come unraveled. So just add a tiny bit of glue and just pull it real tight too because it looks better. I have these beautiful white poinsettias from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to cut them off. And then I will glue them to this beautiful burlap leaf. These are really pretty. It's got that little bit of glitter on the edges so it's not overpowering, it's too much. And then I spray painted the little metal piece, it was 3 words that sometimes come in the packages for $1. So I spray painted that black. And I'm just going to add that to the bottom. This is really simple and I think it's very elegant looking. So I think everybody would love this one as a present. I'm trying to make a little loop just to hang it. And there it is. Isn't it gorgeous? I love the way it turned out, guys. I should hold it a little straighter, shouldn't I? And there it is on my door. I love the way this turned out. Simple, but so elegant. And there's my first one. These make great gifts too. If you have neighbors or a mailman, an UPS driver that delivers to your house. There's my cute little truck, which I love. It would be hard for me to give this one away. I can make one for another person. I think I got this one at Dollar General, that truck itself. And there's my little snowflake peace sign. Can't wait to put that in a wreath, which I might show you later if I can find the wreath that I was thinking about. And there's my cute little Merry Christmas wreath with the snowshoes and the little Christmas tree. Oh, how sweet. How sweet that is. Thank you for watching, guys. If you would subscribe, hit the like button. I would love it, and you have a great day.